Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my May favorites. So if you want to see what those products are, just keep on watching. So some of these may not be surprising because I've been using them so much on camera, off camera, on Instagram, on YouTube videos. I've literally been using these products so much. We have a lot of Temu products. We have some past TJ Maxx and Marshalls finds. We have some new 99-cent store finds. We have a CVS find. So there's a lot of products in here. Also some Chamase is in here as well. So first off, let's talk about the Temu things. Let's keep them together. Let me go ahead and move all my Temu favorites to one side. They're a lot, girl. I recently discovered Temu. I think it's also something that a lot of people recently discovered. It's very similar to Shein in the fact that they literally have very inexpensive products, and most of the times they actually work. The nails are not really that great, the press-on nails, but everything else I've actually really enjoyed the makeup on the makeup side. I haven't tried their clothing. Let me know down below if you've tried Temu clothing. I haven't heard the best things, so that's why I'm kind of hesitant, but let me know your experiences down below in the comments. Starting off with number one, we have the Skin Ever Lip Volumizer. So again, if you guys follow me on Instagram or even here on YouTube, you guys know that I've literally talked about this so much. I also did a couple of ranking my recent Temu purchases videos. My Temu playlist is going to be down below if you want to catch up on those, but I actually have done some ranking videos, so I've talked about these before. But I really much enjoy how this feels on my lips. It just makes your lips look juicy. So use this before my makeup goes on just to give me a little bit of a prep vibe for my lip products to come. So this is definitely a really cute product. I really like the packaging. I like the smell. It smells like vanilla. I also really enjoy the actual applicator. I think it just fits into the lips perfectly. It's just so cute. And again, it just smells like skincare. It's just really nice. The smell is not super strong, but yeah, I really much enjoy this lip product, so that's why I wanted to mention it here. We also have some brow products. So you guys know I literally use this all the time. Actually used a different product today, but actually used this yesterday. So I've done quite a bit of videos using this. Also on my Instagram, as I mentioned, I'm gonna have all those videos that I'm talking about in the description box below. Also, did I rank this? No, but it was part of my first Temu order. And this is just basically a Benefit dupe, like a alleged dupe for the Benefit brow pencil. But this one here is from KLAISY, and this is their ultra fine triangle eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown, I believe. So basically it looks like this. But not only do I like it because of the packaging, but the actual formula is really good. These days it's been a little hot in my room, so it has been kind of melting. But it still works great, and I also just have a spoolie on the other end. It's just a really great product. So this is what I find myself reaching for these couple of days when I'm doing my makeup. So I really much enjoy this. I just remembered the product that I have on the brows. I have the She Glam Duo brow pencil that I mentioned in my other favorites videos. So that's what I have on the brows today, but this one is just as great. Love it. Next, another brow product from Temu. This is the PUDAIER Fluff Hold Laminating Brow Wax. Again, a product that I used yesterday in my video. What did I do? Yesterday I did a Hello Kitty pinky girly kind of look. So that's going to be down below if it's up already. I'm not sure if that's in the works, I don't know, but I did go ahead and throw this in that video because I included Hello Kitty makeup but also pink makeup just to make it that girly aspect, and I like matching my things to my looks. So anyway, there is a new collection at Miniso with the villains from Disney, and I went ahead and did a look with that. So I've been doing a lot of get ready with me videos, a lot of chit chat, get ready with me's, using new makeup kind of videos, a lot of hauls. So definitely stick around if you're not subscribed already for those types of videos. But this is actually a really great product. I also ranked this in some of my Temu purchases or whatever videos, and this is so good. It's basically going to set your brows down. It does come with a little brush situation, which is really cool, and then you do twist off to get the actual product. I really like how this leaves my brows feeling like they're set. They're not going to move throughout the day. I just feel like if I throw this on, I know my brows are not going to move. So that's what I love about this product, and this is the one that I've been using throughout the month. All right, let's tackle some primers. I think I included these together because I really like pairing them together when I'm throwing them on the face. I did do another video. I have so many videos going on. I think I just did a full face of Temu as well with some of my newer purchases, and I did include these in there. This is the Major Digit Caviar Primer. Looks like so. I definitely didn't expect it to be this small when it came in, but I actually like how hydrating this is. I like that it's pink. It's really interesting. It's a really interesting formula, and it feels really good on the face. So I really like this. Very hydrating. And also pairing it along with this one from O2O. This is the Zero Pores Sniper Makeup Primer. I like to throw this on the inner portions of my face, and it's also really good. Almost looks like a lotion, but when you spread it out, it does create that blurring effect on your face. So I really like to pair these two together. Love them. The last Temu favorite is a mascara. I don't know if I mentioned this last month. I hope I didn't, but this is a Handy On Volume Mascara. And as you can see, I know Too Faced came out with a packaging similar to this for a collaboration, but this one is so good. Not only is the packaging super cute, it has a bunch of little butterflies on it, but also the actual formula is good. And also another thing I like is the actual wand of this product. I've shown you guys so many times, but it basically looks like an hourglass shaped wand. It's just a little different, but the actual formula is really good as well. I find that when I'm not wearing falsies for work, I can count on this mascara and just giving my lashes a little bit of a curl. It just helps out so much. So I really enjoy this one, and also the She Glam one is really great, but this one is in the running, girl. This is a good mascara. All right, so let's talk about Shop Missy favorites next. I only have two favorites from them. We have their new gel lip liners they just came out with. We have the shade Lasso and the shade Pony. My favorite is definitely Lasso, which is the darkest one. I feel like the formula of their gel liners is really good. I do have their black liner on my lower lashes today. It's just so pigmented, and I find that the lip liners are just as great. So I really like these, and I've been using them so much, especially the shade Lasso. It's just a really good color. Let me give it a swatch for you guys if you guys didn't watch my haul video. This one here is in the shade Lasso, and let me swatch Pony. Yeah, Lasso and Pony. Aren't they so beautiful? They finally came out with some brown lip liners, which is so exciting because they only had like pinky shades and reds and oranges, but they finally came out with some brown shades. And they also do have some other colors included with this new line that they came out with. So yeah, check them out. Next we have their liquid liner. This is also something new to their site. This is definitely a very interesting liner. It is extremely black, and I like that it keeps its pigment when it's going on. However, if you do overdo it with this product, you can feel it on your eyes. So just keep that in mind. Be careful if you're using it. But I love that it's super pigmented and it just works. It's really good. And I also like how straight, and I'll show you guys the applicator right now, but look at that packaging. So cute. Definitely stands out in my collection. And then the actual point, look at how pointy that is. It's like the perfect liner, except again, don't overdo it with this product because it, oh girl, oh my gosh, because it literally, you can feel it on your eyes. It's like a heavy kind of formula, but as long as you just take what you need, you'll be fine. All right, next let's talk about foundation. We have the Pearl World Total Control Drop Foundation. I use this in a recent try-on haul from 99 Cent Store. And again, I don't know if I mentioned in this video, but I did pick up a bunch of new makeup from Pearl World. I picked up some of their blushes. We had a lip oil. I think I also had some eyeshadow palettes. Literally all that, the whole video was using this brand from the 99, and I have to say this foundation is actually really good. Again, this is their dropper foundation. It looks like a thick kind of formula, which it is, but I find that it works so well with my oily skin. It just looks so beautiful on the skin. I also did go ahead and mix this with a foundation lightener. It didn't really help a whole lot. The actual formula of this foundation is really good, and I really much enjoy how it makes me look. And also it is a thick formula, but I think for oily skin, for me specifically, I really like how it left my face. I didn't get super oily at the end of the day, so yeah, I really like this. So I'm kind of surprised because I didn't think I would. I don't know, but it's actually pretty good. Let's talk about setting spray. I have been loving this I Heart Revolution e.l.f. Long Lasting Fixing Spray. It smells amazing. I love the packaging. I think it's just so cute and travel size. That's the only reason I've been using it, because it's cute and also smells good. Now, does the actual spray work? I think it's cute. It's a nice hydrating kind of vibe, but nothing, you know, extraordinary. But this is so cute, and that's why I've been using it. So if you see it at your local TJ Maxx or Marshalls, look at how cute that is. Love it. Same thing goes for the Wet n Wild powder. You guys know I've used this in so many videos. This is the Wet n Wild 5-in-1 Essence Primer and Finishing Powder. So I did already hit pan on it. I'll open it right now, but I feel like there's a little piece kind of rolling around in there. I think that broke off, but this is such a good powder. Not only do I love the little like pink design on the outside of the circle, but it's such a good powder. So there's a look at that. I did hit pan on it. However, I think that middle part was the thing that was rolling around in there. Kind of came off. But I literally use this all the time. I love that this is, it looks like it's going to be translucent, but it's actually a very heavy-ish kind of powder. You guys have seen this in action so many times on my channel. I just love the formula, and that's why I keep reaching for it. It's so good. It sets my T-zone area so well. It also sets the rest of the face nicely as well. I feel like I do get kind of dry in those areas. It just looks a little crepey on the outside portions of my face, but in the T-zone area and my under eyes, it looks really good. So really love this. So usually I only mention 10 products in my favorites videos, but I do have a couple of extra products to talk about. It's only 2 of them. They are lip products. We have the Beauty Creations lipstick. I don't use lipstick a lot. You guys know me. I love a good matte liquid lipstick. Love it. Love a good gloss over top. They're just so good. But this color specifically in ginger, it is so beautiful. I literally use this all the time. I love it. It's such a beautiful color, and it works so well as it's like the most perfect nude for me. I think that's why I love it. So, and I really like the formula as well. It is not a matte lipstick. It's very creamy. I'd say it's a very traditional kind of lipsticks, but it's such a beautiful color. I love it. And then the last product that I added was the Amuse Birthday Suit Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lace. Another favorite I mentioned in a couple of videos. It's such a beautiful color. It leans like gray purple. And also the formula, it's literally one I can use with a gloss over top. I could use it on its own. It layers perfectly. I can wear it to work. It doesn't start to peel or anything. Love it. And the finish, everything about this is stunning. I find myself reaching for these types of colors a lot. I don't know why, but such a beautiful shade, and also the formula is great. So that was the last product in my favorites. Let me know if you've tried any of these products. What are your favorites this month? Let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a like so I can keep making them, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.